Increasing your ping in Cyberpunk 2077 can help you experience the game differently, especially in multiplayer settings. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Access network settings. Open the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the options menu and select the network settings. This is where you can adjust various online settings related to your connection. Step 2. Change server region. Look for the option to change your server region. Select a server that is further away from your location. This will naturally increase your ping as your connection will have to travel a longer distance. Step 3. Adjust quality settings. In the graphics settings, lower your quality settings. This can sometimes lead to increased latency as the game prioritizes performance over connection stability. Experiment with different settings to find the right balance. Step 4. Use a VPN. Consider using a VPN service to connect to a server in a different geographic location. This can artificially increase your ping by routing your connection through a longer path. Make sure to choose a server that is known for high latency. Step 5. Test your connection. After making these changes, test your connection in the game. Join a multiplayer session and monitor your ping. Adjust your settings further if necessary to achieve the desired level of latency. By following these steps, you can successfully increase your ping in Cyberpunk 2077. Remember to experiment with different settings to find what works best for your gaming experience.